Welcome back to our channel, Stock Strategies. In today's video, we'll be diving into a topic that holds immense significance for your financial well-being, investing. Whether you're new to the world of finance or looking to enhance your knowledge, this video will shed light on why investing is crucial and how it can help secure your future. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the reasons why investing is essential, let's establish a common understanding of what investing actually means. Investing refers to the process of allocating money or resources with the goal of generating returns or profits over time. It involves taking calculated risks to potentially grow your wealth and achieve long-term financial stability. Reason 1. Beat inflation. The first compelling reason to invest is to combat inflation. Over time, the value of money decreases due to inflation, meaning your purchasing power diminishes. By investing your money wisely, you have the opportunity to earn returns that outpace inflation, ensuring that your wealth grows rather than erodes. Reason 2. Wealth accumulation. Another significant advantage of investing is the potential to accumulate wealth. By consistently investing in various assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a diversified portfolio, you give your money the chance to grow exponentially. The power of compounding can work in your favor, where your initial investment generates returns, and those returns, in turn, generate more returns, steadily increasing your wealth over time. Reason 3. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement is crucial, and investing plays a fundamental role in securing a comfortable retirement. By starting early and investing consistently in retirement accounts like a 401k or an individual retirement account, IRA, you can take advantage of the power of time and compounding. This way, you can build a substantial retirement nest egg that can sustain you throughout your golden years. Reason 4. Achieving financial goals. Investing can also help you achieve specific financial goals, such as buying a house, funding your child's education, or starting a business. By setting clear objectives and investing accordingly, you have the potential to reach those goals faster. Investing enables your money to work for you, opening up opportunities that might otherwise be out of reach. Reason 5. Diversification and risk management. One more vital reason to invest is to diversify your portfolio and manage risks effectively. Investing in a variety of assets, sectors, or industries can help mitigate the impact of market fluctuations. By spreading your investments, you reduce the likelihood of one bad investment significantly affecting your overall portfolio. Diversification is an essential strategy to safeguard your wealth and reduce potential losses. And there you have it. Investing is a key aspect of financial planning, providing opportunities for growth, wealth accumulation, retirement planning, goal achievement, and risk management. Remember, investing requires careful research, knowledge, and a long-term perspective. It's always wise to consult with financial professionals or do thorough research before making investment decisions. Thank you so much for joining us today as we explored the significance of investing and how it can help secure your financial future. Remember, investing is not just for the wealthy or financial experts. It's a tool that anyone can utilize to build wealth and achieve their goals. As you embark on your investment journey, keep in mind that patience and discipline are key. The markets may fluctuate, but staying focused on your long-term goals and maintaining a diversified portfolio will help you navigate through ups and downs. If you found this video valuable, we encourage you to share it with your friends and family who could benefit from understanding the importance of investing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Stock Strategies. As always, we're here to support you on your financial journey. If you have any questions or would like us to cover specific investment topics in future videos, please let us know in the comment section below. We appreciate your feedback. That's all for today's video. We hope you feel inspired and empowered to take charge of your financial future through investing. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start. Take that first step today and set yourself up for a brighter tomorrow. Thank you once again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, happy investing.